You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary many get wrong, mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel, become part of the community. There are two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, it's generally said Esplanade, Esplanade. Now in American English, it's normally pronounced as Esplanade. If you want to know, it comes from French, and in French it's said as Esplanade. So the American English pronunciation, Esplanade, is closer to the original, but in English, British English, Esplanade. And now you know it all. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, it helps me a lot. Thanks for this, and more videos for you here to learn more correct, free pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.